Amazon's massive car gadget deals are live right now. Even though the big shopping wave hasn't fully hit, Amazon's already dropping some crazy discounts on car tech, and trust me, most people haven't even spotted them yet. From smart accessories to pro-level car tools, these picks can seriously upgrade your ride without breaking the bank. So stay with me till the end, because every deal you see today is worth grabbing before it's gone. As always, I've linked everything for you down below in the description. AstroAI L7, tire inflator, portable air compressor. Now $19, down from $40. That's a solid 50% off. This is hands down one of the best rated portable inflators you can get right now. Compact, fast, and precise. It pumps your tires in minutes with digital accuracy. It's not just for emergencies. It's perfect for keeping steady tire pressure, which saves gas and boosts safety. The built-in LED screen lets you set exact PSI levels, and it auto-stops once it hits the target. No guesswork, no overfilling. It even comes with multiple nozzles, so you can use it on car tires, bikes, balls, and inflatables. Miracase 3-in-1 cell phone holder. Now just $10, down from $20, saving you a clean 50%. If your current phone mount shakes every time you hit a bump, this one will fix that instantly. The Miracase 3-in-1 lets you mount your phone on the dashboard, windshield, or air vent, whatever setup you prefer. It's military-grade stable, meaning it holds tight even on rough roads. The rotating head gives you a full 360-degree view, so navigation stays clear without blocking your line of sight. And thanks to the easy one-touch release, popping your phone in and out is super smooth. Jemluse wireless CarPlay adapter. Now $40, down from $79. That's half off right now. If you're tired of plugging in your iPhone every time you start the car, this little device changes everything. The Jemluse wireless CarPlay adapter connects automatically, turning your wired system completely wireless. No lag, no cables, just instant CarPlay as soon as you start the engine. It supports voice control, navigation, and streaming just like the factory setup, but faster and cleaner. Plus, the plug-and-play install means zero tech skills needed. Plug it once and it just works every time. Easily one of the smartest upgrades you can make to any car. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBDII scan tool. Now $79, down from $119, saving you $40. If you've ever seen that check engine light pop up and wished you knew exactly why this tool's for you, the BlueDriver scan tool turns your phone into a professional-grade diagnostic system. It reads and clears error codes, gives you repair reports backed by real mechanics, and even tracks live sensor data while you drive. It works with both iPhone and Android, connects via Bluetooth, and saves you those unnecessary trips to the shop. Basically, it pays for itself the first time you skip a diagnostic fee. Fanttik Slim 5.8 Apex Car Vacuum. Now $66, down from $100, saving 34%. Don't let the slim design fool you. This vacuum means business. The Fanttik Slim V8 Apex packs powerful suction that pulls out dirt, crumbs, and pet hair from tight corners like under seats or cup holders. It's cordless, compact, and comes with a full set of precision attachments, making it perfect for quick interior cleanups. The smart LED display shows battery life in suction mode, so you always know how much runtime you've got left. And since it charges via USB-C, you can even power it directly from your car. If you love keeping your ride spotless, this one's worth every cent. ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. Now $130, down from $200, saving you a cool 35%. This is the kind of dash cam that gives you total peace of mind on the road. The ROVE R2 records in full 4K Ultra HD for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, capturing every detail crystal clear day or night. It comes with GPS, tracking, loop recording, motion detection, and even built-in Wi-Fi, so you can view or download download footage straight to your phone. The night vision quality is seriously impressive. Even license plates are readable in low light. It's like having a personal eyewitness every time you drive. If you value safety and evidence on the road, this deal is a no-brainer. Lusso Gear Car Organizer. Now $29, down from $37, saving you 34%. If your front seat turns into a mini storage zone, every road trip this one's going to change that. The Lusso Gear Organizer fits perfectly between your seats or in front of the console, keeping all your essentials neat and easy to reach. We're talking notebooks, snacks, sunglasses, and charging cables. Everything stays right where you need it. The walls are reinforced so it doesn't collapse, and the non-slip base keeps it steady even on sharp turns. It's made from premium Oxford fabric, meaning it can take years of daily use. Perfect for anyone who loves a clean, clutter-free cabin. Reyke Key Finder. Now $14, down from $20, saving you 21%. Losing your car keys just got impossible. The Reyke Key Finder comes with a base remote and 6 color-coded receivers that you can attach to keys, wallets, bags, even your TV remote. Press the button on the transmitter, and the receiver instantly beeps and flashes so you can track it down in seconds. No smartphone app, no subscription, just simple, old-school efficiency. It even comes with extra batteries included, so you're ready to go out of the box. LISEN Retractable Car Charger. Now $16, down from $28, saving you 39%. This isn't just another car charger, it's designed to clean up your console. The LISEN Retractable Charger features 3 retractable cables that pull out when you need them and reel back automatically, keeping your car free from cable clutter. It supports fast charging for iPhone, USB-C, and micro USB devices all at once. The compact design mounts neatly on your dashboard or air vent, and the LED indicator lets you know everything's powered up. It's one of those small upgrades that instantly makes your driving setup look smarter and cleaner. Airmoto and Power Kit Bundle. Now $80, down from $100, saving you 20%. This one's a total road trip essential. The Airmoto Power Kit combines a smart air pump with a compact power bank, giving you both tire inflation and emergency power anywhere you go. The air pump can hit up to 120 psi, inflating a car tire in just minutes, while the digital screen keeps readings precise and easy to see. Meanwhile, the power bank doubles as a backup charger for your phone, lights, or camera when you're off-grid. It's lightweight, fits easily in your trunk, and could easily save your day in an unexpected flat tire moment. ANDERY Car Phone Holder. Now $27, down from $44, saving you 40%. If you use MagSafe or magnetic mounts, this one's a serious upgrade. The ANDERY Car Phone Holder delivers ultra-strong magnetic hold that locks your phone in place even on rough terrain. It uses advanced suction tech to stay rock solid on your dashboard or windshield, and the fully adjustable arm lets you set the perfect angle for navigation or video calls. Compatible with iPhones and most cases, it's a blend of clean design and real stability. No rattling, no slipping, just a secure, hands-free setup that feels premium. Amooca car seat headrest hook. Now $6, down from $11, saving 45%. This is one of those small accessories that makes a huge difference. The Amooca headrest hooks attach instantly to the back of your seat, giving you a sturdy spot to hang bags, groceries, purses, or even your lunch. Each hook can hold up to 13 pounds, and the rounded edges ensure they won't scratch or tear your seat fabric. They rotate for easy access, install without tools, and blend perfectly into your interior. Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Now $9, down from $15, saving you 40%. Keeping your interior spotless has never been easier. The Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner works on leather, vinyl, plastic, glass, fabric, and even touchscreens, basically every surface in your car. It lifts dirt and grime instantly, leaves a non-greasy finish, and even adds UV protection to prevent fading and cracking. No harsh chemical smell, no residue, just that clean new car look in minutes. One bottle can handle your entire cabin for months. THISWORX Car Vacuum Cleaner 2.0. Now $28, down from $45, saving 38%. When it comes to portable car vacuums, THISWORX has become a bestseller for a reason. This latest version comes with improved suction power, a washable HEPA filter, and a 16-foot cord that easily reaches the trunk. It includes multiple attachments, flat nozzle, brush, and extension tube, so every tight space gets cleaned. Plug it straight into your car's 12-volt outlet, flip the switch, and you'll have a spotless interior in no time. Govee Interior Car LED Strip Lights. Now $19, down from $35, saving 46%. Ready to give your ride a full-on aesthetic upgrade? These Govee LED strip lights let you transform your car's interior with over 16 million colors and multiple sync modes. Control everything from your phone color, brightness, and even music sync so the lights pulse to your playlist. They're USB-powered, easy to install, and completely safe with low heat operation. Whether you want ambient lighting for late-night drives or full RGB party mode, this set delivers serious vibes. And there you have it, must-have car gadgets you can grab on Amazon right now before the deals disappear. From smart tech to safety must-haves, every pick here brings real value, not just hype. All the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Check them out before prices go back up. If you found this roundup helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite gadget, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic tech finds every single week. This is Tronify Tech, bringing you the best Amazon deals so you can upgrade smarter. Catch you in the next one.